Welcome to Tech News and Updates channel iTech News. Realme GT2 Explorer Master Edition with 6.7 FHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 5000 mAh battery, 100 watt fast charging announced. Realme announced the Realme GT2 Explorer Master Edition, its first smartphone to be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, as it had promised. It is the world's first phone to use LPDDR5X RAM, which is 20% more power efficient. It has dual VC cooling max, 4811 mm² VC liquid cooling area. The phone has a 6.7-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate AMOLED screen with 2.37 mm ultra-narrow chin, and it has a 5000 mAh battery with support for 100 watt fast charging and comes with a GN 100 watt fast charger. It can charge up to 100% in 25 minutes. It comes with 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor, 50MP ultrawide and 2MP microscope camera. Please subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Please like, share and subscribe.